Today's morning is very good. Objectives: position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is the first element. Introduction. Objectives: water. Water is most common, abundant and easily obtainable of all chemical compounds. It is a crucial compound for man's survival. It can exist in solid, liquid or gaseous forms. It is the universal solvent. 70% of our body contains water. 75% of Earth consists of water. Physical properties of water. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless liquid. The blue or bluish-green tint of water is due to its depth. Water's freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. When frozen, it expands by 1/9 of its original volume. The boiling point of water depends upon the pressure on its surface. The higher the pressure, the higher the boiling point. Structure of water. A water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. It has high polarity. The 3 atoms make an angle. The HOH angle is approximately 104.5 degrees. The center of each hydrogen atom is approximately 95.7 picometer from the center of the oxygen atom. As oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, the hydrogen atoms end up with a partial positive charge and the oxygen atom with a partial negative charge. This separation of charge produces a net dipole moment on the molecule. The solid form of water is ice, and the density of ice is less than that of water. Structure of ice. Ice has 3-dimensional network in which each oxygen atom is surrounded tetrahedrally by 4 other oxygen atoms at a distance of 276 picometer. 3-dimensional structure of ice has got an open space, that is why it has less density and floats over water. Assessment. Before proceeding further, chemical properties of water. Amphoteric nature. The ability of some chemicals act either as an acid or a base is called amphoterism. If a base like NH3 is present, water can act as an acid and react by donating a proton to that base. If an acid like H2S is present, water can act as base and react by accepting a proton from that acid. The self-ionization of water is another example of water being able to react either as an acid or a base. Redox reactions involving water. Dihydrogen can be produced by the reduction of water as given. Chemical properties of water. Hydrolysis reaction. The reaction of compounds with water to form new compounds is called hydrolysis. For example, dinitrogen pentoxide reacts with water to form nitric acid. Hydrates formation. Water form hydrates with metal salts. There are 3 main types. Coordinated complex compounds. For example, nickel-2 nitrate hexahydrate. Coordinate bond is formed between O of H2O with metal ion. H bonded. For example, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Interstitial hydrates. Water is present in some compound as interstitial water. For example, BaCl2. Hard and soft water. Hard water. The water which contains dissolved salts of Ca2+, Mg2+, and Fe2+ is called hard water. It does not form enough lather with soap. Soft water. It does not contain dissolved salt of calcium, magnesium, iron. It forms enough lather with soap. It is free from bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides of Ca2+ and Mg2+. Fatty acids. Those acids which contain higher alkyl chain are called fatty acids. For example, C15H31COOH, C17H35COOH. Hard water forms precipitate on reacting with soap. Reaction of hard water with soap.